Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Okay. So in our previous class we have learned about counting and today we will learn about after, before, in between and missing numbers. Okay children? For explaining this, let me show you an example. I have three colors here to show you the example. I have red color, blue color and a black color. So the red color is before the blue color and the black color is after the blue color and the blue color is in between the red color and the black color. Now for understanding this numbers, we need to know the forward and backward counting which you already learned in your previous class. So let's start student. So now follow the number line so that you can easily do this. Okay. So at first we will do what comes after the given number. So first I have written 2. And after 2 which number comes? 3. So we have to write here 3. Next one 5. After 5 6. Next 8. After 8 comes 9. And 9 after 9 it comes 10. Okay children, and now when it will be two digit number, then the first number will be remain the same and only the second number will be changed. It will be the next number. Okay, now see I have written here 1 4 14. So 1 will be same and 4 will be the next number. It will be 5. So after 14 comes 15. In the same way 1 0 10 we will write here 1 and 0. In place of 0 we will write 1. The next one 2 6 26. After 26 comes 2 7 27. 3 7 37. So after 37 comes 3 8 38. And now in case when the last number will be 9, the whole number will change. See here I have written 1 9 19. So the first 1 will change to 2, the next number, and 9 will change to 0. So after 19 comes 20 20. Similarly next one also 4 9 49. 4 will change to 5 and 9 will change to 0. 49 after 50 50. So now we will do what comes before the given number. So here I have written 3. So before 3 comes 2. Before 3 comes 2. So we have to write here 2. Before 5 comes 4. Before 9 comes 8. Before 7 comes 6. Okay. Now similarly in case of two digit number, the first number will be same. First digit will be same and the second digit will change to the before number, means before 8 comes 7. So before 18 it comes 17. 3 1. Similarly 3 and 0. Before 31 comes 30. Now in case of two digit number, when the last number will be 0, then the whole number will change. See I have written here 40 40. So 4 will change to 3 and 0 will change to 9. Similarly 2 0 20, 2 will change to 1 and 0 will change to 9. Okay, now the next one, what comes in between the number? You have already learned what comes after. You can easily do this. So after 4 and 6 before, which number comes? 4. After 4 it comes 5. You write here 5. After 9 comes 10. After 18 comes 19. After 35 comes 3, 6, 36. 4 1 41 and 4 3 43. In between comes 4 2 42. And now we will learn about the missing numbers. Okay, so first I have written 3 and last I have written 7. We have to write the in between numbers. So after 3, which number comes? 4. After 4 it comes 5. After 5 comes 6. So we have completed this line. 3 4 5 6 7. Similar way 1 1 11. After 11 comes 12. After 12 comes 13. Here comes 14 and after 14 comes 15. Okay, and now the next one, see, I have written here first 6 and at last 2. So we have to write here backward way. Okay, so before 6, which number comes? 5. Before 5 comes 4 and before 4 comes 3. Next one also in similar way, 1 8 18. Before 18 it comes 17. Before 17 comes 16 and before 16 it comes 15 and before 15 comes 14. Okay children, so now children, you can make worksheets like this. Missing number, what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between, and practice at home, or if you have book, then take out page number 12 and 13. This 2 page you do at home. Practice math. Okay. Thank you and bye bye till the next class.